Hi everyone, this month I would like to introduce you to the principle of the SophroPause. A SophroPause is an intentional pause you take during your day to restore your physical and mental energy. It's especially useful for those who experience high level of stress, who struggle with lack of sleep, or train their body intensively and need deep restoration. For a few minutes, with eyes closed, you will use sophrology exercises to quickly bring your brain waves into alpha waves. When your brain produces alpha waves, you are in healing mode. Your brain activity slows down, you release feel-good hormones like serotonin that relax your mind and body, and you can minimize inflammation and support your immune system. With regular practice, alpha waves can reduce symptoms of anxiety, promote creativity and intuition. So who doesn't need that? Let's practice. So I will demonstrate how the practice is gonna happen and then I will guide you so it's your chance to close your eyes and enjoy the practice. So we will start with the tratak, which is a strong exercise to bring your attention within. You will extend your arm, look at a point on your thumb, inhale, hold your breath and bring that point in between your eyebrows where you cross eye and then you exhale. After that, we'll simply do a short body scan, and if you notice any tension that are in the way of relaxing yourself today, you're gonna bring both arms behind your head, inhale, and do a little tension backwards of your whole body. You can even stretch your leg if you're in a place where it's possible to do that, and then you will exhale and bring your hands back on your lap. We're gonna do this 3 times as a way to really release tension. Then we're gonna take the comfy sitting position again, taking a moment to breathe and relax and really invite every part of the body to fully relax. After that, we will imagine we are in a bubble to kind of increase this sensation of calm and stress-free space. And then we will use the breathing to really enhance this sensation of relaxation, which is breathing in 2 steps. You inhale the first 75% of your lung capacity, do a little pause of 1 second, and then inhale the rest of the air, and then do a long exhale with the mouth. So it's pause, exhale. Okay, we'll do that a few times, continuing to really connect with that sense of restoration and calm in the body. This will take approximately 9 to 10 minutes, and then we'll see how we feel after that. Okay, so please, you can take a really comfy position in your chair. Take a moment to really lean your back and relax. The feet are on the floor, and we can start with the tratak. You extend the arm, you look at a point on your thumb, you inhale, hold your breath, and bring that point in between your eyebrows where you fully cross your eye. Close your eyes and exhale. Let's become aware of the presence of the breath. Simply noticing where our breath takes place today. Perhaps more in the chest, perhaps more in the abdominal region. Let's notice the presence of the body and what we feel here and now in our bodies. Is the body tensed? Is our body warm, cold? Are there certain parts of the body that feel more tense than others? How's our mind doing right now? We're just observing. And as a way to release tension and stress, we are going to interlace the finger, place them behind the head, and gently we are going to inhale and then gently lean backward and maybe tense the leg as well. Really squeeze a little bit the body in that position, and when we're ready, we exhale. We release the arm down and notice what we feel in the body as we relax. Let's do it once again. Interlace your fingers, inhale, hold your breath, tense backward, just really feel the tension in your entire body, acknowledge it and then let it go. Notice the relaxation as your arms are back to your lap. Notice the breathing. And when you're ready for last time, inhale, tense, stretch, tense, acknowledge the stress or the tension and then let it go. Great, with eyes closed, both feet on the floor. Let's take a moment to bring our muscle in a deeper relaxation state by simply doing a gentle body scan, inviting every part of the body to really relax. Noticing the presence of the head and face. Inviting the forehead to relax. Noticing your eyes and the back of your eyes relaxing. Inviting your cheeks to relax. The inner parts in the mouth, but also the outer parts of the cheeks. Let's allow the jaw to relax. And every time we breathe out, it's a little bit like if we could relax the brain itself. Let's become aware of the presence of the head and face and brain fully relaxed. Now let's invite relaxation into the neck, the throat, the shoulders, allowing the shoulders to drop and the arms to fully relax. Remember, there's nothing to succeed at during the practice of sophrology. So if it is difficult to relax, just keep going and welcome all sensations and perceptions through the practice. Let's keep on breathing naturally and invite the chest and upper back to relax. Space within the chest, allowing the heart and lungs to relax. But also all the muscles and structures surrounding our inner organs, including the breasts. Now let's focus our attention on the abdomen, but also the lower back. And all the space where our inner organs are, and let's invite all the inner space of the abdomen to fully relax. Sensing the diaphragm moving as I breathe. And then relaxing the region of the pelvis, the pelvic floor, the hips. Allowing the legs, the feet to fully relax. As I focus into the presence of my body here and now, I can imagine that I'm in a bubble, within a protective bubble that surrounds my body. I can perhaps visualize it or sense it around me. And in that bubble, I'm fully protected from any stress. No stress can penetrate that bubble, so therefore I can fully relax and let my body and mind restore. It's a bubble of calm that surrounds my entire body. And in that bubble, I'm going to use my breath to further relax my nervous system and welcome this alpha brainwave state further. So I'm going to inhale 75% of my lung capacity through the nose. I'm inhaling, then pausing for 1 second and inhaling the rest of my lung capacity, and then exhaling through the mouth. Pausing and noticing the relaxation taking place. Just breathing normally. Before I start to do that again, inhaling, short pause, inhaling the rest, and then exhaling through the mouth. And welcoming the relaxation in my muscles, in my body. A little pause to let my breath settle. I'm still enjoying being in this bubble of calm. And let's do it 2 more times. Inhaling, short 1 second pause, inhaling again, and exhaling. Allowing my body to fully relax on the chair. And the last time, inhaling, pause, inhaling, and exhaling through the mouth. Pausing and letting my breath be completely free. Imagining myself in this bubble that protects me from any stress and allows me to fully recuperate. I can now stay as long as I want in that state of calm. and recuperation, and when I will be ready, either now or later, I will be able to open my eyes again, stretch, and ground myself until I'm ready to carry on with the rest of my day.